Freeze dryer. Freeze drying, or lyophilization, is a critical process in preserving pharmaceutical and biotech products. But what happens when the freezing phase takes longer than expected? Let's break down the ramp step extension. Temperature graph, showing drop from 5°C to 48°C. The ramp step is the controlled cooling phase during freezing designed to reduce shelf temperature gradually. In one incident, a system programmed to cool from 5°C to 48°C in 120 minutes took over 200 minutes. Clock ticking. Warning icon. This delay can be caused by compressor inefficiency, sensor faults, or pressure imbalances leading to longer cycles and potential product quality issues. Normal freezing versus extended ramp. When the system doesn't reach target temperatures, the ramp phase extends automatically. In our case study, pressure peaked at 905 mbar, and condenser pressure hit 1,125 mbar, indicating stress on the system. List of possible causes with icons. Common causes include Yoch, faulty compressors, Yoch, condenser overload, Yoch, miscalibrated temperature sensors, Yoch, silicon oil pump failures, Yoch, flow restrictions. Flow of freezing phase impact. Extended freeze time can result in larger ice crystals, impacting product integrity, raising energy costs, and reducing equipment lifespan. Technician troubleshooting freeze dryer. Troubleshooting starts with inspecting compressor performance, verifying vacuum integrity, and recalibrating sensors. Preventive maintenance is the key to consistency. Summary board with bullet points. Summary. Target 48-1. C in 120 minutes. Actual 200 minutes. Cause cooling inefficiencies. Fix system inspection. GA1 recalibration. Freeze dryer operating smoothly. Happy technician. By addressing ramp step delays proactively, manufacturers can ensure freeze drying remains reliable, efficient, and compliant. Explore more on freeze drying troubleshooting at https://acidafreezedryer.com.